morning, fangs, and welcome to the bush. Guys, have you ever been on a little bit of a camping trippy over there? And the next morning, all of a sardine, all you want is a lekker greasy breakfast there and a koppie boeretroos. But you don't have any place to put your stoofie there. Well, come with me. No kitchen? No problem. Get yourself a Veld Shelf Pro from Bushplate. Holds potty, your panna coffee, milk, suiker, you name it. Made from 3 mils of aluminium, powder coated, and it's got rubber coated magnets at the back there. Stores away quite nicely. Get yourself a Bushplate. Okay, thanks.